everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Krafty Corner Krafty.
Hi everybody, welcome to the transformation. So these are the cords I use to power the Krafty Corner to the house. And as you can see, they are out, and this is why. Look at my plugs, y'all. They are in. I've got them all throughout. So this one is by the door. That's my son-in-law. He is putting up the extensions. And there's a plug back here. And this is on the back wall next to my big black shelf that's behind me when I do my videos. And there's the back of the shed. And he's putting the extension cord up there. But as you can see, the entire back wall is lined with the plugs, and I have the plugs up high.
Well, hello everyone. So my project management company is called Jax. So far we have done plumbing for this project. On the shed we've done electrical. The next part of this project would be doing the insulation and getting the sheetrock in. And we've done smoke detectors. Well, hello everyone. So my project management company is called Jax. So far we have done plumbing for this project. On the shed we've done electrical. The next part of this project would be doing the insulation and getting the sheetrock in. And we've done smoke detectors. So that's what we've done so far in this project.
It's the Krafty Corner Crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well, we don't fail. We bless, we prevail. Basket designing, always refining, deal finding, yeah, we grinding. Hitting the streets, meet and greets is such a treat. Hosting hard in creative ways with gift displays, yes it pays. Making tumblers, t-shirts, and doing custom orders. We be crafting woodwork ready for every quarter. Prepping and stepping, getting ready for the season. In the Krafty Corner, everybody got a reason. Instructing, sharing, lifting spirits high. Inspired to create, to dream, to try. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. No second guessing. Every blessing has a lesson.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina.